The program that is led by the EIT Manufacturing is a great opportunity for our students to leverage their expertise into innovation and entrepreneurships.
We have doctoral students who are working in excellent research ideas. How can we transform these ideas into innovative solutions?
At the EIT Manufacturing Doctoral School, we want to create a life-changing experience for our PhD students where they can meet new cultures, they can have industrial work experience to become the game changers of the European manufacturing.
Learning by doing brings the opportunity for the PhD student to strengthen their skills that can help them face the real-life manufacturing and innovation projects.
Doing mind experiments is a good thing. I want to tap into this pool of young talent, new thinking, come up with ideas.
We want the students to develop these new capabilities related with innovation, creativity, leadership, to solve complex problems, taking advantage of the research skills and the knowledge that they have.
If you are a PhD student, you should enroll in the EIT Manufacturing Doctoral School. We need new researchers to develop in the future new startups and bring back the manufacturing to Europe.
This is very important for us to train our PhD students to push research into real solutions for the society and for industry.
We are able to disseminate the results and the learning outcomes we are taking from these pioneering experiences to all the schools of our university, as well as different types of companies, big corporations, startups, bringing all of them together in order to promote and foster entrepreneurship.
And this is also a great opportunity for industries, research centers and universities to come together in new engaging collaborations to create the appropriate environment where they can grow the new innovations for the manufacturing of the future.